What's up ladies and gentlemen, this is Abdul Moiz and today I'm going to show you how you can recover your lost data from your iPhone that includes videos, photos, messages and more which you have accidentally deleted. This will work for any iPhone including the latest iPhone 8, 8 Plus and iPhone 10. All the iPad and iPod Touch models. Also, this will work for all iOS versions. This is by far the best method that I have tested and it recovers pretty much all of your lost data. Anyways, it would be super awesome if you drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already if this video did end up helping you out. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is to download a program. Link will be given in my video description. Just open that link from my video description and download this program. It is available for both Windows and Mac. I'm going to install it on Windows, but the process is exactly similar for Mac. So click on download and wait for the program to finish downloading. I have slow internet connection, so it will take some time to download. I'll come back when it is finished downloading. So it is finished downloading. Now all you gotta do is to click on start now. Although the primary function of this tool is to recover data, but you can also do a number of other things such as transfer data from iOS to Android or repair your iOS device, but at the moment we are only interested in recovering lost data from our phone. So we are going to click on recover data from your phone. So you'll get here three options to restore your data. The first one is from the device itself and the second one is from iTunes backup and the third one is from iCloud. So first I'm going to select restore data from iOS device and it will ask me to connect my device to my desktop. So as you can see that it's connecting and scanning my device. At the side you can see different kinds of files that can be recovered. The scanning process will take some time depending upon the storage of your iPhone. I'll fast forward this video and come back when it is finished scanning. So it took approximately 15 minutes to finish scanning and it has restored a number of contacts, images, text messages, etc. You can preview some of the files it has recovered without paying for this software, which I guess is the best part about it. Only pay for it if you want these files to be stored on your computer. So I have bought the premium license. I'll just click on restore. It will ask me to enter the email ID and product key and then I'll be able to recover all my data to my computer. The second method is to restore files from iTunes backup. So normally when you connect your device to iTunes, it automatically makes a backup of your device, and with this program you can scan for all the files in that backup and restore whatever you want. The best part about this software is you can look deep into the backup whether the files you want to restore are present in the backup or not, and you can selectively restore files from that backup. You can't do this with iTunes. You only have the option to restore everything present in that backup. As you can see that I have different backups on iTunes and I can restore from one of these backups and get my deleted files back. So just select a backup and this software will scan for the files in the backup and you can select the files which you want to restore and then click on recover to computer or restore to device. Similarly, you also get the option to restore data from iCloud backup. The process is exactly similar to iTunes backup, but as it is on cloud, so you have to enter your password to retrieve data from your iCloud account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you recover your lost data, and if it did, make sure to click on that like button. Well, this is Abdul Moiz signing out.